Yeah, okay. All right. So we are live. Thank you very much for joining this 10 series How to Become Money workbook call. It was a lovely journey. I feel so connected to all of you, and I feel this is my family. And I am so glad that we have completed our call series. Today was the 10th call. And we are finishing it on Diwali, so that technically Hindu New Year begins from today for all of us, and what we are going to create for our lives and how we are going to be money. I would like to hear from all of you your experience about how exactly you are going to create, what exactly this money workbook call series created for you, and the surprise SOP. And you can speak whatever you wish to speak, and let's wish the world prosperity, so that when we be prosperity, the world also receives the prosperity that we have got to share. Who goes first? Just unmute and start talking.
Okay, Geet, I'll go first.
Okay.
So this was, first of all, I want to thank Priya for, bringing me to this call. And thank you so much from bottom of my heart. All these journeys that we had, be the SOP that, you give me first, then foundation, then the bars. So this is like I'm alive, all these. I have done many things in past, but everything put together. But this is like, how do I tell you? This is like it's so much ease, and it's so beautiful. It's like you can't explain to anybody how this happens. And I am regarding this money workbook. What have shifted with me is I'm no longer handcuffed or like
Strangled.
मेरे को कोई पकड़ के नहीं रख सकता है. So I'm free, and it there's nothing I have to learn. This call was just like, it's so easy, yaar. It's so beautiful. And so what is shifting, ek to, this bandhak, it's all gone. And now I am seeing, the gratitude aspect is very big. And another thing, so many things to share. I don't want to, there are a lot of people are there, and it's just shifting everything. Okay, and thank you so much, and that's it. And thank you, all of you, to be participate in this beautifully. And thank you.
You're welcome. Gratitude. Yes. Anybody else would like to say? And you can choose. Yes, Suyash.
Yes, so again, thank you, Geet. I love this call, and it's created so much ease in my life now. My point of views about money have changed, and those limiting points of views, I'm definitely destroying them now. And my first SOP session, I had asked for ease with my exams, and my exams just got over yesterday, and I haven't done it with such ease. So again,
Ever
thank
before.
you. Yeah, ever before. This was the first time.
Yeah. SOP is magical. And the way you received, and everybody in your family, all of you, the way you received, I have never given SOP with so much magic, and I'm still holding on all this magic, right? It is still there, and throughout the day, I just look at this and I say, how can I add more, magical ease to all of you, to whatever you have received through symphony sessions. So thank you for receiving. Lovely. Yes.
I'll go next.
Yes, Priya. Okay, lot of magic happened for you also. Two facilitator license.
Yes. And Geet, lots of chaos is what I can say that you've gifted me in this call, and I'm so grateful. I think I broke barriers that I was not willing to, let go of, and this call has created such complete chaos in my life, and I'm truly grateful because I know beyond that lies a level of magic that I couldn't have done on my own. And the SOP, I'm so grateful. That is incredibly generous of you. And your generosity is something, I mean, you speak of other people's generosity, but I don't know another human being who has your kind of generosity actually. And I'm truly honored, to be a part of your family. And I think money has been a byproduct of this class. The receiving has been of so much more. And I think the magic in this class for me was to actually experience the joy of gifting. I've done 2 bar swaps while I've been on this call, and in a very subtle but beautiful way, the energy of gifting is something that I really experienced in a very different way while I've been.
Lovely.
And I thank each and every one of you. I think it's been incredible.
Priya, gratitude is mutual. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Awesome. Renam.
One more thing I want to go.
Yes, Sajjal. Sure.
This is very important for me, Priya, Deepa, and Mahesh. So in this call series, we have got our UK agent. We have finalized and we are ready to go. Like this is like very big thing for all of us. So this is really awesome. So thank you. Just adding.
Awesome. Keep being you. Lovely. Who goes next? Yes, Samiksha. Okay.
I want
Hi.
to thank you so much, and I'm so grateful to you for always being so there. And this call has you have put me in the mixer and shaken it, and everything went off. Like all the resistance went off. I recovered what I have lost. Whatever you told me, I was doing that, but there was no hope. It might be वो नहीं मिलेगा. But I did it. Every day. Religiously I did it. And I recovered this amount online fraud में जिसको कितना time लग जाता है. And within this call series only, I lost it and I recovered it. It is so beautiful and I am celebrating myself each day. That is the magic you have created. I am celebrating so much. People are saying कि तू तो पागल हो गई है, दिवाली है. Yeah, and I got a solitaire also from my husband. That's so big. And he's never it's been years of our marriage. He has never gifted me anything. He's like कि सब कुछ तेरा ही है, तुझे जो लेना ले ले. For the first time he said, नहीं, solitaire ले लो. जो पैसे रिकवर हुए हैं वो कहीं और नहीं डाले. It is because of you, and it is because of you. It is so great.
Awesome.
And बहुत कुछ रिलीज हुआ. I have released a lot, and I lost 4 kgs in 10 days.
Oh wow. How many? Say that again.
4.
Wow. I think one of the reason for joining my calls and SOP is to lose weight then.
Yes, it is so magical. I don't know how and when, but it went off.
Yeah, because a lot of times the weight that you have does not belong to you. It is the weight of the point of views and the judgment from others. When you let it go, it goes with total ease. So when you be you, you become beautiful.
Now it is a magic for me. Now I don't feel like I'm doing yoga and all things because weight is going like that.
Yeah.
It is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Geeta.
Awesome.
Thank you, universe, and thank you everyone for contributing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Samiksha. Lovely. Yes.
Hi, Geet, and all of you who have been part of this journey. I would really thank each and every. In your sharing, a lot has shifted for me apart from what this class was about. And was it really just about money? Because for me, so much has shifted in every aspect of life that money is just one part of it. Is that what I feel? In creating, in asking, and in being, it's not. So what concept is there in money class is just permeated into every part, whether it is relationship or work or how you be, and just being yourself with everyone and in your life. So it's almost like it. I think it's almost like a being you class. So it was a wonderful journey. A lot had shifted. Initial part of the class, it was a bit difficult to handle because a lot of things were coming up to address. And since it was a series and I was with it throughout, it just helped me open up, all areas with all the blocks just cleared, and it was a lot of ease and very happy and very good space right now. Thank you so much.
You're on mute.
Did you tell me? Or
No, I thought that Deepa is saying something else. She wanted to say something. Okay. Neera. Yes, Neera. Lovely.
so Geet, I cannot. So it's an energy, right? You just get to know that money is energy. And I've read this book, you're aware of it, 19 times before I came onto your call. Either through calls or just read it myself. I got addicted to it once upon a time. I used to take it to the park during the lockdown and just wahan jitna ho gaya, next day khatam kiya with no point. But the energy of the book is it's so expansive, and you, with the way you facilitate, see, my heart is still going bum. The way you facilitate, and I will not say explain, but your energy is so pure and innocent and so gifting and so contributive. I still remember that example that you said that आपका एक boutique है और आप boutique के पीछे छिपे हुए हो, and someone comes to buy and you say, okay, just buy and leave the money here. That's what it resonated with me. That's what most of us do all the time. We are totally in hiding. And then we wonder why the world doesn't see us, why the money doesn't come to us, okay? So this point I really want to say, and also I love the last part of the book where the book says, because it changed a lot, of course a lot is changing and still changing, and I'm acknowledging that I am you and you are me.
Yes.
And that is so fabulous. It's in the last panel of the book that we just read. And even when you're having a tiff, it helps me then. When I'm having some sort of an argument and I'm not being infinite, not making the other person infinite, I use this, that I am you and you are me. And suddenly, very miraculously and very magically, everything dissolves. So this book has such gems and hidden gems and hidden gems. The more you read it, the more they just surface,
Yeah.
And you don't even know the names of the gems that will surface. And Gary does say, read it 100 times. And I wonder, I said, a book 100 times?
Yeah.
Mana book buff hai. Mana book padna pasand hai. Like twice or thrice maybe, but not 100 times. And now, guys, I really read it as much as you can.
Absolutely.
Geet, you're too good with all this. And here, I do want to say that your SOP was out of the world. Beyond this reality, jaise bolte hain. So thank you so much for that. And all the listeners or all the people who are going to see this now or later on, this is going live. Guys, Geet is, if you miss Geet, you miss something in life. And then it's your choice. You want to miss something so good, it's your choice, right?
Yeah.
And also, I knew that. But many a times I tend to forget that we have to reclaim, acknowledge, re-own ourselves. So this book, it just says money. Money is actually a disclaimer. It's not supposed, it doesn't mean that. We are money. अगर हमको ये समझ आ गई ना बात कि द मोर हम अपने आप को अपनाएंगे, मोर अपने आप को हाइडिंग से बाहर निकालेंगे एंड बी एंड कुछ नहीं होता अगर लोग जज करते हैं, you're being odd, you're being weird, you're being silly, whatever. The more of that and the money then is a byproduct.
Yeah.
And during this phase, as I had mentioned earlier, it passed through both my son's birthday के बीच में आया. And every day is a celebration. That is for sure. But during this phase, I got coins yesterday. After a long time, there were times like, there used to be lots of coins, but it happened yesterday. So that was such a surprise and also a lot of money flowing in with peace.
Yes.
I can go on, but there's a big queue here.
Yeah.
And thank you, Geet, for everything. And keep this money workbook on. There are lots of people out there, yeah.
Yeah.
Do it. Be it. And do this money book. Read the money workbook with Geet.
I would also come up with a SOP only for money.
Okay.
And SOP only for body. And much more. I will. Thank you so much, Meera. Yeah, one more thing. Yeah.
I become like my license for my body process
Facilitator.
That's just going to come through. So guys, I single body process facilitator to along with CFMW and bars and whatever. Magical processes, absolutely. Just willing. If you're willing, then they're magical. Thank you.
Thank you, Meera. Thank you so much. Yes. Who is going next? You have to ask. I can't say. Okay, Mansi. All right. Yes, Mansi. Hello.
Hello. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for showing up today all dressed up. It took me a while. I was on my camera off to just ensure that I'm also a little bit presentable, as much as you are. Okay, so thank you so much, Geet. It was a wonderful session. I would say that this is it was very different money workbook session, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And thank you so much for making me understand what kindness is all about. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Mansi. Welcome for receiving it. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. It was wonderful journey with you all.
Great. Thank you, Mansi. Who goes next? Okay, Athena. All
Hi,
right.
everybody. Good evening.
Hello. Wow. I love that. Nice.
You told me to show up, so I
Yes,
why not show up
absolutely.
with glory and
Yeah.
with utter joyfulness.
Absolutely.
With a very, very happy heart, I come forward and I thank you for the amazing, awesome, magnificent self that you are. There's so many teachers out there, but to be able to really create an impact is something that comes naturally. You can't just do it. And it's not, though of course we all joined in for the money aspect, but it's so much more that we've learned, explored, and I think in the process, my beautiful soul family, there are times when you would have had something and I held space for you. There's so many times I had something and you held space for me. So it was so energetic, so warm and so supportive. To each one of you. There's so many people out there, but you chose to hold space for me, and I'm in absolute gratitude. The biggest take home that I have from this entire call series is that it taught me to be me. No filter, no dilution, just be me. And it's so powerful. I myself am so scared of me. You make me believe in me. That is so big. That is so large. That is so empowering, Geet. And that is the magic that everybody who is all, everybody who hear your words, who are hearing our feedback, every word that falls on your ears and touches or encounters your eye, please understand that you are way beyond what you think you are. And it is so, so magical. You are loved. We are all loved. Another thing is that I'm aware of this aspect of we all fall under the law of oneness. There is no separation. We are all one. So if we could all be loved, collectively if we could all look at a better future, a better life, better being, a better existence, I think then all of us will all be in joyfulness.
Yeah.
And I so thank each one of you for being here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you for receiving. Great.
Need one more thing.
Yes.
Thank you guys. We all together have created this symphony of music which is playing in Geet's background. Geet, is that in your background? Yeah? So we've all
It's like celebration.
Boom,
Yeah.
bang, bang.
Yeah.
This is what magical we are, you know.
Yeah.
How magical we are.
Thank you. Great. Who goes next? Do I see your hand raised? Okay, Geetika.
I have.
Okay. Yes, Priya, I'll come to you then.
Okay.
Yes, Geetika.
Hi.
Hi.
So with this money workbook, I always used to think that I get angry a lot. And somewhere I used to resist that as well. And all these days, I just realized I was not being me, and that's where I just stopped that, and that created a lot of shift in me. And I used to be a crybaby. I think some days back that happened to me, and my head was so heavy, and I was resisting that so much that I realized that I have stopped so many things in my life. I wanted to feel and I was not able to with all that thing. And somewhere I decided to give up on that. And I think this, with this I want to tell you something. You said when you be you, you become beautiful. You are beautiful. I can't say the way you say it, but you are beautiful, and I have learned that thing from you. So thank you so much for that. And I have created a lot with this money workbook. So I want to acknowledge every time with that. And if we talk about the SOP, I'm giving you a great news very because the SOP that was done, that created a lot of magic for me. And you will be the first person to know that thing very soon. So whatever I am doing with it, I'll tell you that.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for receiving.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Priya, you were saying something.
Well, Neera was saying that, when you, if you miss Geet, you miss something. So I was just thinking, you're like this, express train. And when you're at the station, you just have to get on, So when Geet Express is running, everybody has to just catch the train. When you create a new class, I just hop onto it because I know that after that, your classes will become so popular that you have to fight for space.
Thank you. Wow, what an analogy. Loved it. I'm so honored. Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So who goes next? Anybody would like? Yes, Renam.
Yeah, hi. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Happy Diwali to everyone.
Happy.
I did a 11 call series with Geet on 6th of July, and since then I have already planned and thought about it that I will not leave him whenever next week, whatever he will do, I'll be like, I will do. Whether he will say yes or no, I will force him that I will do. So, lot of gratitude, and you know that I can't thank you enough. And I have created something, and the takeaway from this money call series is: I am power, no weakness. I am money, no depth. I am awareness, no ignorance. I am joy, no sadness and no grieving. I am creativity, no barriers. I am control, no judgment.
Wow.
Thank you so
Beautiful.
much, everyone, and I wish all of life comes to every one of us with peace, joy, and glory.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Renam. Thank you for receiving.
Can I share something?
Yes, you can.
So, with this money workbook, my skin tone has also changed. I mean, one shade lighter.
People will start doing money workbook for losing weight and having skin tone lighter. Oh my god, so much pressure of expectations. Don't tell them that the magic of being you is so much shifts in you. And it's not just about money. When you be you, money comes running after you. Because money follows joy. And you chose those choices which gives you joy. And when you do that, you would not only be a shade lighter, but maybe a few pounds lighter as well. So that is what is creating magic. Sadness has baggage. Sadness is heavy. Joy is never heavy. So everywhere you are holding on to some sadness in your body as weight, give it up and you'll be lighter. Lovely. Thank you for sharing.
Also, one more thing.
Yeah.
So, in the last SOP, you told me to have some body process, that is human physiology and facelift. Although I haven't had facelift, but I had human physiology, and that also created a lot of shift for me. And with that, I was stuck with one thing, and that also got solved with it. So, just after an hour, I got the news for that as well, and things got shifted with that as well. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Geet?
Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you. Geet, what magic, 1 minute, what magic have you created? Covaxin has been approved today. I couldn't travel because I had Covaxin. My children were calling me. I couldn't travel. So thank you so much. It happened today during
You're
a
welcome.
money workbook session. I'll always remember that. Thank you.
Awesome. Awesome.
Can I say one more?
Yes,
Yes, please. Please do. Please do. This is your stage. I'm just concerned about Ujjal, Priya and Deepa because they have a call. Otherwise, I'm here on the call. We are celebrating. Carry on. Yes, Gitika.
So I want to thank you for one more thing, and I never used to speak a lot in front of many people. I mean, if there are a lot of people, I'll shut myself down. I mean, I never used to speak much. And with this money workbook, I started feeling that it's not me. So I started giving up on that as well. And although I was confident before, but I'm more confident now. So thank you so much for that as well.
You're welcome. Because showing up is what being you is. Because if you are being you, there would be no reason for you to not show up. And money requires you to show up.
It took a lot of energy for me to say all that. I was still into that thing कि अरे नहीं बोलते छोड़ दे बाद में बोल देंगे अकेले बोल देंगे. But then I decided, okay, no, let's see.
Yeah, so that was the resistance still to calls back.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.
Yes. Who goes next?
May I?
Yeah, please. Oh, yes. I thought that you were driving. Okay. Hello, Sanya.
I did all the stuff. While I did the call. Okay. First of all, I think I would thank my sister Gitika for bringing me into this class. She was the one who brought me up to here. And somewhere since my childhood, as far as I remember, I was never a very happy person. I always had this thought that how can people be happy without reasons? Is it even possible? Matlab, is it even possible to be happy without reason? So, and whenever I had those reasons, it was not enough for me. So, with your support and my sister's support, I have come to a situation where I can proudly say I am 80-90% of the time happy. So that's a huge thing. And 10-20% when I'm not happy, I just use the mantra whom does it belong to, and I then make it a happy situation. Also, you had suggested me MTVSS. So after I got MTVSS from my sister, I insisted her to give me one Facebook. Now this is not me. If someone is giving to me something, I'm like so overwhelmed by it that I say okay. But today I insisted, no, I want Facebook. And I slept so nicely, and after that my face is glowing so much. So actually, I have opened up my receiver. And I have really opened up my receiving. Also, my gratitude factor and looking at the positive aspect of whatever is happening around me has increased much more folds than what it was. And I just want to say that I am living the life which I was living maybe 8 years back. So I'm living the life again the way I was 8 years back. And I thought that I didn't even think that it would come to me in such a peaceful way as it has come. And honestly, when I'm sharing with you now, I'm sweating and I am glowing more. I am releasing and I'm glowing. I can feel it. So
thank you.
So thank you so much for changing my aspect of living the life altogether. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're so welcome. You were willing to receive, and you knew that whosoever you are just being the judgment and point of view of other people, and that was not you. And the moment you gave up, it's like, taking off the mask, taking off all that which you were holding on to on your shoulders, on your back, on your head, as somebody else's weight. And when that weight is off,
I never knew how to live without that. I have never ever since the time I remember ever been what I actually am as a person. To be honest, I first time discovered what actually Sanya is. I had discovered only during my college days, that too when I was in the college, only that moment I was me. So I have never been living a life without any judgments. I was always full of judgment for others and fearing the same for me. So since the childhood, I was a good child. I was always a good friend. I was never me. And many times I used to feel shocked when someone used to ask for my opinion, and I used to be so confused कि मेरा है क्या opinion, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. because I was so much all the time in the stress and anxiety कि मुझे लगता था मेरा तो कोई opinion develop ही नहीं हो रहा. But once that stress vanished, now I know what my perspective of thing is, and I can speak about it because I have it clear in me. It wasn't there sometimes. So with you, I really want to thank my sister also because she opened the Access Consciousness door for me and brought, me to you, and it's been all through her. So I am really thankful to both of you. Really.
You're welcome. And thank you for receiving and thank you for being you. And you will receive more.
Thank you.
100 million godzillion times more.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Geeta, I would like to say something. I love you, love the classes. Thank you so much. And thank you all. Gratitude for all that I have received and more. Lots to receive.
Awesome. You're welcome, Deepa. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, anybody else would like to say anything? कुछ किसी को बोलना है? कोई रह गया है? गीतिका को और बोलना है? अच्छा, पहले एक बार आरती से चेक कर ले. Aarti, if you would like to say anything, and Ashok is also there. वो कब से Ashok would definitely say. We'll go to Ashok first, and then we'll come to Aarti and Gitika. Yes, Ashok.
Okay, Namaste, Geet. Thank you for this opportunity. And being a part of this wonderful group is an experience of sorts. Geet is a musician, You are a musician. I love this naughty gleam and spark in your eyes while you spin your magic in the class. You see his hands going on like this, and the whole class, It is a big bang unleashed, as if you have unbridled us, as if you have made us join a school of life, the magical impact. The workbook really works. See how empowering it is when you realize that you can really ask and you can really choose and you can really be that energy. And the contribution that the group has been making throughout is, it's a web that you have created. Magical possibilities is really empowering. And the best part is, I love your poise. POISE. I have coined this thing for you. Power of inspired self-empowerment. This is what you dole out all of us. This is what you dole out. Thank you. And on this auspicious occasion, you have timed it so beautifully, phrased it so well. I love the symphony, the rhythm, the pace, and then the fun that you have created all around us. It's a book doing magic through Geet, the magician, and the way he plays on the keyboard, it's like he's playing his piano on this. It is so enticing. Beware people, you can't miss him. You can't miss him. Thank you world. Thank you, a prosperous Diwali and a happy New Year. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Thank you. Yes, Aarti, do we have you?
Yes, you have me right
here.
I want to... Okay, let me start at the beginning. I started this, I'm not an access consciousness facilitator or attendee, and I haven't really explored it except what I've learned through Geet. And I came into this workbook or this workshop with the intention of clearing certain blocks that I knew I had, but I needed help pushing myself out of them. Like I can, when you're driving, you have these blind spots that they're blind spots and you can't see them. For me, I knew other people may have told me, or somewhere in my subconscious they were running around, but I needed that push to acknowledge them and accept them, work around them, whatever I needed to do to move out of that stuck space. And I knew that Geet would definitely, he won't take no for an answer from me. He'll definitely push me, he'll challenge me, and I really enjoy that. He calls himself the point of view killer, and I am a point of view collector. So for me, I like the fact that I'm here with all of you, and each of you have given me a lot of different perspectives of the same. It's like life is like a Rubik's Cube. You look at it from all these different angles and everybody sees something different. And all of you contribute towards, helping me solve it with your own individual ideas and struggles that you guys have shared, the non-judgmental space that you have provided to explore myself and you has been excellent for me, I feel. So thank you very much and wish you all a very, very happy Diwali.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you so much for completely letting go of your point of view, and even if you are a non-access person, getting into this and finding your ease, finding your space and receiving from this workshop, that was magical. And being there consistently, on call by call, and staying all through the call and not checking out, that's a commitment to being you. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you. Great. Who goes next? Anybody would like to say?
One more thing.
Yeah.
I think my favorite part was today. I got to dress up. I didn't have to. I got to. I chose to dress up and everything. We don't get very many opportunities living abroad to dress up in Indian clothes and deck up and all of that. So now it feels like Diwali for me.
Yeah. And it looks awesome. That red and that combination. Oh wow, it's so lovely. Feels as if you are right here in India. Oh, show me the bangles as well. Wow. Lovely. Yeah, what a lovely energy of gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Yes. I have time. I would like to hear from you if there is anything. Please go ahead. Yes, Gitika.
So, मेरे को बहुत झाड़ पड़ चुकी है तुमसे रेजिस्टेंस के नाम पे already. So I was still not ready to give up on that. I mean, if anybody used to say me anything, I used to feel so bad और मैं खुद पे ऐसा ले लेती थी कि अब तो मैं ये कुछ नहीं करूँगी. आपने जो बोला है ना, I'll be like that. And I think some days back I just saw my niece doing something which nobody likes it, and she still does it. And I was like, oh, I was that one kid, and I decided to give up on that as well. After I think the last call, there were a lot of clearings that happened, and I was feeling as if anything in regards of take it as my parents, that why are they doing that to me, and I think somewhere shifted that time. And I was like, इनको भाड़ में जान दो, जिसको जो करना है वो करे, मुझे तो चाहिए ना. अब तो मैं इसको लेके रहूंगी, अब तो मैं इसको करके रहूंगी. Although I decided that I'm not gonna take anything from them or anything, but it was so heavy for me for 2 days, and I gave up on that thing, and I said, अब तो मैं लूंगी. इनको नहीं देना है ना तो भी लूंगी, जिसको नहीं देना है मत दो, पर मैं कहीं से भी लाऊंगी और मैं ये लूंगी. And that's when I think I decided being myself, and that created a lot for me. And after that, when I decided that, I got gifts also. So I'm happy. Thank you.
How lovely is that? Thank you so much for sharing that as well. Thank you. And yes, Sakshi, I think we missed you. You have just joined. Would you like to say something? How was the 10 call series was for you? If there is anything you would like to add. Otherwise, all of us have spoken already. And if you can, switch on your camera also.
Hi, Geet.
Hello, good to see you. I like that you are also dressed up.
We have a function that I'm just gonna attend, so I was just gonna leave. The last 10 days have been I've not attended 2-3 calls, but for me, what opened up was receiving, especially in relationships, simple things like how I wouldn't receive from my grandmom, like, or I've just come home. It's 2 days, and my relationship with my parents has, especially dad, has. There's something so different that was not available before. I am here with him, more present with him. It's just our conversations has changed. I don't know how to put it to words, but something is so freaking different. Like the energy, there is so much ease that we have. It's like there is no spoken communication, yet there is communication. Like, I mean, last night we were partying, like 35 of us. And I just silently went to dad and just kept my hand on his shoulder. And I don't know what it was. It was so different. Like this time, there is ease I have with my parents that I have not had in years almost. And yeah, things are showing up beautifully, especially in relationships for me. I've been noticing what it is like to receive. Areas like where I thought, I was lacking at, like simple things, how old Sakshi would be is not how I am anymore. I don't know, something has changed. Like my responses, my reactions to situations are different. Like monetary, yes, I did create, but more than that for me, it was receiving from people. Our relationships were an issue for me, especially when it comes to family, and those have started changing for me. Like it's almost 1.5 days that I'm home, and there is something so different. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, so we have this house that is getting constructed from the last 5 years, and in the last 10 days we've had so much growth come in, and our interiors are decided, and we just got the news that by 15th December the entire house will be done. So it's like speed has picked up in different areas.
Lovely. Awesome. And Sakshi, I'm glad while the call was about money, you spoke about receiving and you spoke about relationship.
I am like definitely seeing stuff changing. Like over the years, this has been my ask, and this is my first ever class with you, Geet, and it was very difficult for me to receive and even understand that how you were conducting your classes in the first 2 classes. But then the call I attended, I think it was the 4th or the 5th call, that shifted stuff for me, and I'm like, dude, this guy makes it so easy for you to understand everything. It is not supposed to be hard. It is not supposed to be like, technical, very accessy. It was easy and fun, and it was just flowing.
Yeah, and people around me, they won't believe Geet being fun. He's the most serious guy because when he was born, he cried. See, you spoke about receiving, in relationship. Everything in this universe is energy. The only reason you do not receive, you all have an invitation card. When you try to get into that abundant universe, you are not allowed to enter because you are not being you. You have mask on you. You are wearing the clothes which is not matching to your invitation. That invitation is like an I card. Your I card, your spirit, your soul says something else, and you, whatever is loaded on you, whatever baggage you are carrying is not you. How would you receive abundance? The only way to receive abundance is to be you, and you are not even aware that you are not being you. People were sharing whatever giveaway they had. You took it as yours, and you are saying, this is also me. A lot of times when you go to you are invited to some party and you want to carry along your neighbor's son also, you say, mera hi bachcha hai. Yeah, that mask also you are carrying along in the world of abundance and saying, this mask is also mine. They say, sorry ma'am, it is not matching your spirit's path. And that is what is stopping you in being you. Let me explain this with this analogy. When you be you, be it money or relationship, It's total ease. What else is possible? And how does it get any better than this? Thank you very much, everyone. It was such a lovely series. This was my first ever Money Workbook series. We were 22 of us, and it has not only created for you guys but also created a lot for me. I have done it from various facilitators, this workbook call, and 2 or 3 of them I gave them a call and I said I can't do it. This workbook series is too much and this is too difficult and this is too heavy. And then they said, do it your way. When you be you, you become beautiful. Isn't it what you say all the time? And I said, okay, chuck it. I am not going to follow what anybody of them is doing. I will do it my way. And it worked. That's all that I know. It worked. Thank you so much for expressing your gratitude. See you in one of the calls and join in one of the SOP that I would be launching soon. It would be a short SOP, and maybe some of you I'll see in the foundation, my upcoming foundation in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Let's see where all can I go. Wherever there is a call for a bars class and a foundation, I have decided that I will travel whichever city it is. And it will be so much of excitement to help people be you, because if we are they and they are us, when you shift, they will shift. And the world would be in allowance of letting everyone be their unique self. Thank you.
Laura, I'm attending your foundation.
Thank you. Yes. So soon I would have it in Indore as well. Lovely. So good night and have a happy Diwali and have loads of ease, joy and glory, because they are a choice. Bye bye. See you sometime soon.